Kapampangan la rin kayang pipunpunan. Mibay tat meragulya king Pampanga. At king kasalungsungan, kaya ni pamurin king labot Kapampangan magaral at manoknangan, ing 6 years old ay Matthew ning kandaba. Bistaman po rin kayang pangakabalin, aliwayang ama nung siswan ning kayang papasyog. King pamakitalamitan man ka rin kayang kaluguran o agyang ka rin kayang katubali.
Nung baby ako, first language ko kasi English eh.
Aparte king English, tutuki ka rin kayang akaragulang lengguwaheng gagamitan ing Tagalog.
Tagalog. Kasi yung mga grade 1 Tagalog lahat.
Agpangpakang Matthew, ating pamikatago na magkasakit ing pamikaintindi ka rin kayang kasabi. Inyaging kasulungsungan, bagya-bagyayang manigaral. Inya agyang ditak at inemang baluking ama ng siswan.
Kasi konti lang pala yung nagsispeak ko. Kapampangan, 1 pa lang yung nilalearn ko eh.
Agpangpaka rin kayang pengari mas mayan pa mangamit alimang lingwahe kalupanan ni Tagalog at Ingles. Agamit mo naman kanu kasi inikaras ni Aldo, king kayang pamaninton obra. Lalong dang sangkanding mapilang Kapampangan advocate na pang historian na magmasabal king lalawigan, ing education system king bansa. Anya mga palyaring ebiasa mga Pampangan ng meto nga Kapampangan, anak, kalupa ng Matthew.
Kasi in-emphasizing educational system na mas angat ya bay English, kadwa yung Filipino at yung regional languages, wait, ang disposable lang. Dapat medyo alilandate ang paradigm ita. Dapat ing tutukan da rin eskwela, muna la rin eskwela. Tutukan da rin eskwela yung amanong siswan.
Makanyan mo naman kanuing gobyerno.
Then tao gobyerno, mumunala naman tataliwas din, noong kapanagalog, ya para-pareho lang Kapampangan, potang session, may panagalog lo. Kareng na ang Facebook dagit mo. Ngayon ati ng tatagal, may panagalog lo. Ren constituent sa Kapampangan naman, kaya itindihan ta. Dapat, nung di ni Rambi siyang manungkulan keng lugar ta, maging lang ehemplo kaya katang Kapampangan. Mumuna ang pakit ng karelang pamagmasabal king amanong siswan. Ang po king kulturang Kapampangan. Masakit yata, pikarined ang Kapampangan len o ito, maragulya naman problema ito.
Dakala sasabi, mamamatene, siguro mamate, mag-struggle ya mo. Magkasakit siya, uling, in national government at inyang campaign to promote a national language, which is Filipino, which is supposed to be an amalgam of different regional languages, but sadly, it's not. It's 90% Tagalog, which is a regional language also, like Kapampangan. So masyadong may overprivilege in Tagalog at the expense of the other regional languages like Hiligaynon, Cebuano, etc. and Kapampangan, of course.
Pauli rin miyalo ang factor, alila kanu asisiring peangari king karelang pamanagalog at pamaninglis karing karelang anak.
Of course, it starts at home. Yung problema kasi, king balepa, mga Pampangan, gyang atilo Pampanggang, gyang Kapampangan la, mga Kapampangan, king mismong pamilyada. Inyang minuna, I frowned over that. And then I realized, I really cannot blame parents because parents have only the best intentions for their children. And the priority for parents is to ensure the success, the professional success of their children. And they think in their minds that learning another language is a ticket to that. And the first language they want to learn, of course, is Filipino, which enables their children, supposedly, to be able to mingle with all kinds of Filipinos. And then the second language is English, which they know will be a ticket to their professional success because it's the international language and it's the language of the professions.
O neng makanyan pa man, parin kanu dapat itabiling amano si Swan, kasabianing pamanigaral aliwang lengguwahe.
Ala naman manok nung turumeng English o Tagalog yung anak Ang importante yun, kailangan may lakuing Kapampangan kayo. Man maklakabuntok din nga anak. Man mabaligo nung dakalabalong amano. Inya, bista man tuturuyan yung English, bista man tuturuyan Tagalog, kakalingwan ing Kapampangan. Lalako, kaya kayong anak ing amanong siswan.
Ing motivation da rin pengari, inya tuturo do rin English and poreng Filipino, is really the success of their children. But what I will just ask them to do is, when they do that, they should not forget Kapampangan. Children are capable of learning as many as 10 different languages. Their young minds have the capacity to be polyglots, to be speakers of various languages. So kung mabiyasa kang English, mabiyasa kang Filipino, dahil alwapin, mag-Spanish la pa rin. Ako rin nga po ko French. Make sure that the native language, which is Kapampangan, is not forgotten.
Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.